Hello again. Yeah, look at the weather right now. So if you live in California, especially me, live in NorCal, it's been raining for almost a week right now. So the weather is not that great. But it's all good. So good to have rain, have water in California because of last time the drought. But for me, I rode my scooter on the rain for a couple of times, and scooters, the tire is 13 inch, so it's pretty stable on the road. But uh, it's kind of dangerous because of the other driver. When it's raining, their driving skills start to become, let's say it's not so great. So since you're riding a scooter, it's a small vehicle, so this could be dangerous while you're on the rain. So I intend to just not doing it during rain time. But for me, since the scooter is a carburetor scooter, so I always intend to ride at least once a week. And if I cannot do it, my tip for you is go ahead and just warming up the scooter a little bit, so at least once a week, so you get all the oil moving, instead of just sitting there for a couple of weeks without doing it. And you might run into a problem like the carburetor getting clogged up. So it's always a good idea to start up your scooter at least once a week, or just ride around your neighbor if you can. But for me, for this week, I cannot do it because of the rain. So I'll just go ahead and warm it up, and let the scooter run for a while, and then maybe next week, if the weather is getting better, then I'll go ahead and drove it around. I always take my scooter, like go to somewhere locally, like I'll go to the bank, or maybe do some small shopping, or buying grocery, like that. So let me start it up and warm it up. And also another tip is, if let me turn out. So another tip is, if you leave your scooter in a storage or something during the winter because the weather is so cold, and you're not gonna use it, go ahead and drain out all the fluid or the gas, the fuel from the carburetor and also from the tank, and unplug your battery, and use the one of those maintain charger, and so you can maintain the battery. So it'll be good when you come to sprint, and if you decide to ride it, and just put in some fresh fuel and connect the battery back, and your scooter should be good to go. Yeah, also if you guys trying to fix that problem about the carburetor scooter that during the cold season is stop at the or stall out at the stoplight, and you should know that because of the carburetor not good with the cold weather. So what you might want to do is warm it up a little longer. Instead you warm up for like a minute to start riding, now just go ahead and warm it up maybe 3 or 4 minutes before. If the scooter is warm up, then it should able to run. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys next time, and I hope you guys have a safe holiday. Bye.